Hi friends, it's Bunny! Guess what? Today we're going to the amusement park! Let's hop in and have the best day ever!
This is gonna be so much fun!
Wow, look at those beautiful horses! Let's take a spin on the merry-go-round! Whee! Hold on tight, friends! Here we go! Up, up, and down! Whoa, that was fast!
Woohoo! Here we go!
So many yummy treats! Cotton candy, popcorn, and rainbow lollipops. What's your favorite, friends?
Great shot, you popped it! That calls for a prize!
Wow, thank you! I can't believe I won!
We have a winner! Congratulations!
Yay! We won a teddy bear!
You.
Let's ride the Ferris wheel! Look, friends, we can see the whole park from up here. So many colors and lights! Ready for a splash? Here we go! Woohoo! Water fun time! Wow! A parade! Look at the floats, the music, and all the colors! Let's dance, friends! The night sky is sparkling! What a beautiful way to end our magical day! What an amazing day, friends! Thanks for joining Bunny at the amusement park. See you soon for our next big adventure. Bye-bye!